So you wanted to use Stripe like a pro. You are in the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to use Stripe in a very easy way. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so we can all get started totally for free. Once you click into the link of the Stripe, what you wanted to do is to go and create your account. What you want to do is to add an email, full name, the country you're currently living, and the passcode. Once again, it's going to be really important to select the country or the region which your business is incorporated if you're an individual, select what you're doing in the business form. Now, this is important, guys, because if you want to receive money or to send money away, it's going to be asking you for the verification of your account. And for that, what you wanted to do, of course, is to provide a valid government ID or like a passport or a driver's license. So it's going to be everything legally. So what you wanted to do is to type the real country you're currently living. Great, your account is now been created. Now it's going to be really important to verify your account. What you wanted to do, of course, is to restore your account, is to go directly inside the upper side and make the verification process of your account. Usually, what you wanted to do is just to go directly into your dashboard, click into the verified banner that appears there to add legal documents in order to verify your account. This one actually won't take you more than 5 minutes, so take your time to verify all your documents. Now, let's set up the payment method. What you want to do is to configure your payment methods into Stripe, whether it's a credit card, digital wallet, or other options. Stripe supports a variety of payment methods. To go there, go directly into the little part that says Payment. Here in the Payment, what you want to do is to make sure that you wanted to choose how to start collecting payments. So you can whether try to make a payment linked, you can create a manually charged of an actual customer, you can make the invoice of an actual customers, or what you can do is to use a pre-built payment form that appears here. You can try to make coding required, but in this case, we want to focus now into the easy part of it. If you ask me, the most easiest way is to generate an actual linked so you can receive your actual money right away. For example, here, what you can do is to select a type of a product that you're going to be selling. So in this case, if you don't have a product, you can add a new product. And it's going to be asking you for the name, the image, the description, the price, the privacy preview, and the recurring of this is just one-time product. So your product should be looking like this. Let's go into add our product. Now the product is going to be added here inside the preview. So in this case, I choose the payment page of this product. And I can go for collect the customer's addresses if you wanted to. You can require customers to provide a phone number, also limit the numbers of the payment. Into the advanced options, you can try to do much more. For example, allow to promotion codes, you can allow business customers, or pay as a call to action. Now I'm going to move on into the after payment to see how it actually looks when somebody make the purchase correctly. So they show the confirmation page. You wanted to create an invoice PDF if you wanted to. And here it actually looks really great. Now lastly, I'm going to hit into create my link, and my link automatically is going to be generated. And there we go. So you can do just to copy this into the clipboard and add it into your store, but just provide the actual URL of the actual product and check out how it's actually looking, the actual Stripe. Lastly, if you wanted to integrate Stripe into your website, integrating the Stripe to your website, depending on the platform, Stripe provides plugins and APIs for a seamless integration process. Let's go back here into Stripe. Usually what you can do is to create a new account in a new country of operation. So the Stripe provides test card details for this purpose. So in this case, I can go back here and I can go here into the upper side. It says test mode and just enable the test mode to make sure that everything you do in here is only a test data. The real money won't be charged. You can monitor transactions and the analytics into the upper side where you have the payments and the balances. Lastly, if you wanted to see how it actually looks to your payment availability into your store, let's try it out with the actual Google Sites. Now, Google Sites is an actual section where you can make websites totally for free provided by Google. So in this case, what I want to be doing here is to try to aim for adding this product directly, the payment section, into my store. So here's a code for my actual site. So I'm going to go and check out how it actually looks as a card or just as an actual button. In this case, I'm going to go for card. I copy the code and now I'm going to go into my website, go for Embeamed and paste my actual coding. Let's go into next and let's take a look into how it actually looks, our product coding inside our store. So there you have it. It actually doesn't look that bad. Lastly, if you can understand the Stripe security features and compliance as standard. Familiarize yourself with the best practices to ensure the safety of both business and your customers. And you can see more about the team and security, compliances, fraud prevention, revenue recognition, and the data pipelines. And there you have it, a really easy way of how you can understand the actual Stripe. It's user-friendly, it's easy to use, and the best solution for people who don't have payment options available. Stripe is actually really great to collect money, payments, and adding recurrent buyers. So guys, hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great websites like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you into a brand new video of TechExpress.